Hello, let's learn some colors. Green color, dark blue color, pink color, silver color, sky blue color, yellow color. Let's draw the shapes. Square, right side triangle, oval, pentagon,
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
hexagon, diamond, pink color, square,
Now I know my ABCs. Next
pink
time,
color,
won't you sing with me?
square, green color,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
right side
H, I,
triangle,
J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q,
green
R,
color,
S, T, U, V,
right side
W,
triangle,
X, Y, and Z.
yellow
Now I
color,
know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
oval, yellow color, oval, silver color, pentagon, silver color, pentagon, sky blue color, octagon,
A, B, C, D,
sky blue
E, F,
color,
G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
octagon,
R, S, T, U, V,
dark blue
W,
color,
X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
diamond,
Won't you sing with me?
dark blue color,
A, B, C,
diamond,
D, E, F, G, H,
square,
I, J, K, L, M,
right
N, O,
side
P,
triangle,
Q, R,
oval,
S,
pentagon,
T, U, V,
hexagon,
W,
diamond,
X,